Welcome to this 5 minutes meditation to let go of anxiety, stress, and negative energy. For this next 5 minutes, I want to invite you to take a journey with me. Let's look inside of ourselves so we can identify and breathe through the feelings that often bother our body and mind. You can do this. You just need to create the space to let those feelings come and go. Let's take a comfortable position, sitting down with the soles of our feet on the floor or legs crossed. Spine up, shoulders and face relaxed, hands above our knees. And let's start by taking a deep inhale and exhaling, taking a moment to tune in and feel how our body and mind are doing today. Let's take a few rounds of deep inhale and exhale. Inhaling, filling up your lungs, and exhaling and feeling all your body relaxing. Inhaling, filling up your lungs with energy, positivity, and exhaling anxiety, tension. Feel your shoulders melting, your face relaxing, your fingers falling naturally. Breathe in and out naturally as you feel the tension of your body unwinding, as you feel your mind becoming calm, peaceful. Inhaling slowly, and as you exhale, you let go of any stress, negativity, or anxious thoughts that doesn't serve you anymore. Just let it go. Let's take a deep inhale and exhale as we slowly come to an end for this practice. Breathing in positivity, light, and feeling our bodies and mind vibrating in a different frequency. As you go out with your day, remember to close your eyes and breathe whenever you feel stress and anxiety building inside of yourself. Don't forget, we carry the tools to self-healing inside of us. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for you to take this journey within yourself with me. From my heart to yours, Namaste.